What's up, girls? Welcome back to the Hair Obsessed Club. Today, we're diving into something exciting and new on our natural hair journey. So here's the scoop. I'm 10 months deep into embracing my natural hair, and let me tell you, the struggle has been real. At the time of making this video, we are in October 2023, and this is what my hair is looking like. Guess what? My sponge curls, not cutting it anymore. And don't even get me started on those dreaded wash days. My hair is thickening up and my natural texture has a coarse texture that tangles easy, and I suffer from single strand knots. Any ideas? Leave it in the comment section. But guess what? I've discovered a game changer, a super simple, beginner friendly way to rock a fabulous hairdo with minimal effort. Today, I'm going to be walking you through how I transform my TW4C hair into a sleek mini high puff. Yes, you've heard that right. My very first high puff magic coming right up. Step 1, start with freshly washed hair. Trust me, it's a game changer, especially if your hair is as stubborn as mine. I use the Olaplex system since my hair was bleached. Next, slather on that leave-in conditioner. And when I say generous, I mean it. Your curls will thank you later because my hair does not like this leave-in conditioner from Olaplex. It has no slip at all. Now, who's with me on the struggle train? Oh my gosh. Drop your favorite leave-in conditioner recommendations down below. I could use some gems right now. Step 3, grab your favorite styler. I'm using the TWA Def Mousse for that extra hold and definition. Don't worry, I'll be leaving everything in the description box below. And if you're still hanging with me, let me know where you're tuning in from in the comments below. I love connecting with all of you. Right now, big shout out to Marita Straker from Barbados and Ressa Chapman Brown 6859 from North Carolina. Thanks for supporting the channel. Ta-da! And just like that, we've got ourselves a fierce, fabulous puff. I will be trying this again, but on dry hair. Thanks for joining me on this journey, beauties. Until next time, remember to stay classy, stay curly, and hair obsessed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share it with your friends and family. And keep embracing those gorgeous curls. Adios.